Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I would like to do today is to share with you all some highlights from my convenience store business plan template. I want to do this in about 4 minutes, so let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So if you do purchase my business plan template for a convenience store, it does start off with the title page. On the title page, just change out convenience store to your company name or insert your logo. Next page, table of contents, pretty straightforward. This is going to summarize all the different segments in your business plan, and these are all the sections that come in the template. Now we've got our executive summary section. The executive summary section starts in 4 sections. Got 4 sections included: convenience store summary, target market, financial highlights, funding request. Anywhere in yellow, that is where I recommend you make some changes, insert your information, but keep in mind this is a customizable document. You can add to each one of these sections as you see fit. Now we've got our company description section. This is just the first page of 2 pages. It includes the convenience store summary, competitive advantages, products carried, and it also includes other sections as well. Industry research, important for the convenience store. So I do include convenience store industry research. I summarize information from IBIS World, which is an industry leader in industry research. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Customizable smart art. You just click on this little arrow here and make changes to the text to the left. Also includes an organizational structure, ownership section here, and then we've got a smart art again for the organizational chart. Make the changes as you see fit. We also have a marketing section. Typically, convenience stores are going to market in 3 marketing channels: traditional, internet, and social media. I give you a good start for each. Funding request: how much money how much money do you need to get this party started? I give you an excellent starting point for this section as well. Profit and loss 12 months. It's included in the financial model. So you get a Word document, which is a business plan, and then you get your financial model, which helps you go ahead and create your 12-month profit and loss statement. It's broken up monthly and then also quarterly. And then it's also broken up, Proforma income statements included, which summarizes your revenues, your costs, and your net profits for the next 5 years. So that is what's covered in the Word document. It also comes with the financial model, which is in Excel, and the financial model is broken into the revenues, labor, startup costs, monthly fixed costs, miscellaneous, growth rates, and loan information. Anywhere in darker color cells, you can make changes, put your information in there, and once you're done, it updates your 12-month profit and loss as well as your 5 years for your income statement as well. As a bonus, I do include instructional videos. Instructional videos can be found at this link right here. The first one covers how to use the Word document, and the second one covers how to use the financial model, and you can go ahead and view those tutorials before you purchase the convenience store business plan. And then finally, to wrap it up and sum it up, if you are interested in purchasing my convenience store business plan template, you can purchase it at this link right here. It does come with a customizable Word document, financial model, as well as business plan tutorials that can be found at this link right here. The template is in a Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word document, as well as Microsoft Excel. You do need both to make changes. And then if you do have some comments or questions or concerns about the template, my contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, call me, text me, email me. Be delighted to have a great conversation. Just keep in mind, if you want me to help you fill out the template, I do charge for that service. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write that business plan for you or to do your financial projections, check out my custom business plan prices, which are right here. And as always, I'll go out, make money, and have a great day. Thank you.